In Quiet Arrington, right next to Englishman River Falls, you'll find Red Boat Studio, where artist Carol Doucette makes beautiful and whimsical works of art. Pac Rim was so happy to provide Carol with the log structure that would ultimately become Red Boat Studio. She added electricity, laminate flooring, a cozy electric fireplace, and all of the equipment she uses to make her art. In Carol's studio, you'll find her spinning wheel where she shapes the clay, her slab roller to flatten it, and all of the tools she uses to make the unique shapes and creations you see here. Carol makes all kinds of custom creations at her studio, including cups, bowls, plates, vases, garlic houses, and her signature little guys. Each one is completely unique and handcrafted, painted, and glazed by Carol herself. Red Boat Studio is truly a work of art and a testament to what you can do with a bunkie.